The struggle is real this morning. Usually we leave the house at 7:20. I've already dropped off Sammy at daycare, but oh my goodness, it's already 9 o'clock. I'm usually at work by 8:30. I need my coffee before I drive into work. I was hoping for a snow day, but all we got here is rain. Made pretty good time. I think the Starbucks drive-thru took the longest.
I'm headed for lunch. Why don't you guys come with me?
Look at the beautiful cobblestone streets. I love this street. I think it's so pretty. What is that big yellow thing in the sky? Ah! So we're out here. Sammy's trying to get used to his lacrosse gloves. See that green building over there is the field house, and that's where my daughter's having soccer training right now. And there's a wind advisory, so we're freezing. I don't know how long I'm going to last out here because the wind gusts are up to 50 miles an hour at times. Not right now, thank goodness, but they keep coming. Okay, we're giving up. We're going to go back to the car. It is too cold, right, Sam? There you are. That was crazy. That wind is horrible, so we're going to find somewhere to sit inside. This is one of my grandma's paintings. This was actually a planter that they had on their back porch in Arkansas when I was a little girl, and my grandma painted it, and so I have it now in my house.